सिद्धिविनायकं सेवेऽहं सिद्धिविनायकं सेवेऽहं वरं सिद्धिविनायकं सेवेऽहं वरं सिद्धिविनायकं सेवेऽहं वरं सिद्धिविनायकं सेवेऽहं वरं सिद्धिविनायकं बुद्धिदेवी वरं भोगी कंकणकरं बुद्धिदेवी वरं भोगी कंकणकरं वृद्धकलेवरं सोमकलाकरं वृद्धकलेवरं सोमकलाकरं गबदसनि गबमगरे गारिसा गबदसनि गबमगरे गारिसा रेसनि गबमगरे गरे सानि दगरे पामगनि द सानि दगरे गरि गबदसरि गरि ग सानि द निदनि पामग गरि ग सानि द गरि गबदसरि गरि ग सानि द निदनि पामग गरि ग सानि द गरि गबदसनि दसनि दसनि ग सा गबदसरि नि द पा मगरि सानि द सानि सिद्धिविनायकं मोदकहस्तं मूषिकवाहं मुनिहृदेहं मोहिनिदाहं वेदसमूहं भोगप्रवाहं शीतनिवासं श्रितहरिकेशं शीतनिवासं श्रितहरिकेशं गबदसनि गबमगरे गारिसा गबदसनि गबमगरे गारिसा रेसनि गबमगरे सनि रे सानि दगरे पामगनि द सानि दगरे गरि गबदसरि गरि ग सानि द निदनि पामग गरि ग सानि द गरि गबदसनि दसनि द गरि ग सा गबदसरि नि द पा मगरि सानि द सानि सिद्धिविनायकं सेवेऽहं वरं सिद्धिविनायकं
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Deepika. On behalf of Natyarpana and the Subramaniam family, I welcome all of you to Uma and Priya's Bharatanatyam Arangetram. We are indeed very pleased to have all of you as the audience today. Any Arangetram is a special occasion. The fact that we have a mother-daughter duo making their debut on stage together makes it even more momentous. I request Priya's husband and Uma's dad, Mr. Subramaniam, to welcome all of you.
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of all my friends and family, I would like to invite all of you for the Arangetram of Priya and Uma. I would also like to extend the welcome on behalf of Guru Kripa Bhaskaran, who, as you all know, is not only a second mother to my girls, but also for all the students of Natyarpana. As we know, Arangetram is a culmination of many, many years of devotion, dedication, hard work, and as Priya and Uma are about to enter the stage, I'm truly appreciative of your gracious presence here, and I'm looking forward to a wonderful show, and I'm sure that you will also enjoy and appreciate the performance of Priya and Uma today. Thank you.
Today's performance will incorporate the three aspects of Bharatanatyam: Nritta, or pure dance, featuring beautiful abstract movements of the body and rhythmic footwork; Nritya, which is interpretive dance using hand gestures and mime; and Natya, which adds the dramatic element. A Bharatanatyam Arangetram is when a dancer embarks upon a creative journey by ascending on stage. This performance shall herald Uma and Priya's commitment to this art form and shall bring out all of their strengths. Thank you. We hope you have an enjoyable evening. Uma and Priya will first present the Pushpanjali. The Pushpanjali is an invocatory dance where the dancer seeks the blessings of Lord Nataraja, the Guru, the orchestra, and the entire audience by offering flowers. This will be followed by the shloka Aditya Hridayam. In this hymn, sage Agastya invokes the sun god to ensure victory to Lord Rama. This Pushpanjali is in the ragam Khadyot Kanti set to Adi Talam. This will be followed by the Todiya Mangalam, which hails victory to Lord Shiva. Composed by Dr. Ambika Kameshwar, the piece is a Ragamalika and a Talamalika.
Jim Jim Kidadadim Tadim Tadim Dagadinadam Jim Tarita Jim Jim Kidadadim Tadim Tadim Dagadinadam Jim Tarita Jim Jim Kidadadim Tadim Dagadinadam Jim Tarita Jim Jim Kidadadim Tadim Dagadinadam Jim Tarita Jim Jim Kidadadim Taganagadi, taganagadi, taganagadi,
ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕ್ಕ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಕ್ಕ ತರಿಗಡ ತಗ ತಕ್ಕ ತರಿಗಡ ತಗ ತಕ್ಕ ತರಿಗಡ ತಗ
ದಿದ್ದೇ ತಗನಗದೆ ದೇ ತಗನಗದೆ ತಗನಗದೆ ತಗನಗ ತರಿಗಡದ ದಿದ್ದೇ ತಗನಗದೆ ದೇ ತಗನಗದೆ ತಗನಗದೆ ತಗನಗ ತರಿಗಡದ ಜಂ ತರಿ ಗಿಡದ ಗೊಂದರಿ ಗಿಡದಗ ಜಂ ತರಿ ಗಿಡದ ಗೊಂದರಿ ಗಿಡದಗ ಜಂ ತರಿ ಗಿಡದ ಗೊಂದರಿ ಗಿಡದಗ ತದಿ ತೊಂ ನಂ ತೋಂ ಬೇತ ಜಂಗ ಜಂತ ಗಿಡ ತಳಾಂಗುದಗದ ಗುಂದರಿ ಗಿಡದಗದಿ ತಳಾಂಗುದಗದ ಗುಂದರಿ ಗಿಡದಗ ತುಂತಳಾಂಗುದಗದ ಗುಂದರಿ ಗಿಡದಗ ತಂ ತಳಾಂಗುದಗದ ಗುಂದರಿ ಗಿಡದಗ ತಳಾಂಗುದಗದ ಗುಂದರಿ ಗಿಡದಗ ತಳಾಂಗುದಗದ ಗುಂದರಿ ಗಿಡದಗ ತಂ ತಳಾಂಗುದಗದ ಗುಂದರಿ ಗಿಡದಗ ತಳಾಂಗುದಗದ ಗುಂದರಿ ಗಿಡದಗದಿ ತಳಾಂಗುದಗದ ಗುಂದರಿ ಗಿಡದಗ ತಳಾಂಗುದಗದ ಗುಂದರಿ ಗಿಡದಗ ತಂ ತಳಾಂಗುದಗದ ಗುಂದರಿ ಗಿಡದಗ ಗಿಡದಗದಿ ಗಿಡದಗ ದೊಂ ಗಿಡದಗ ನಂ ಗಿಡದಗ ತತ್ಗಿಡದಗದಿ ಗಿಡದಗ ದೊಂ ಗಿಡದಗ ನಂ ಗಿಡದಗ ದದಿ ಗಿಡದೊಂ ತದಿ ಗಿಡದೊಂ ತದಿ ಗಿಡದೊಂ ದಿ ಗಿಡದಗ ದೊಂ ಗಿಡದಗ ನಂ ಗಿಡದಗ ದಗ ದದಿ ಗಿಡದೊಂ ತಗ ದದಿ ಗಿಡದೊಂ ತಗ ದದಿ ಗಿಡದೊಂ ದೊಂ ಗಿಡದಗ ನಂ ಗಿಡದಗ ದಗದಿ ಗುದದಿ ಗಿಡದೊಂ ತಗದಿ ಗುದದಿ ಗಿಡದೊಂ ತಗದಿ ಗುದದಿ ಗಿಡದೊಂ ಜೈಂ ತರಿತ್ತ ಜೈಂ ಜೈಂ ಗಿಡದಗ ದೀಂ 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 ದಗದಿನದ ದೀಂ 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 ದಗದಿನದ ದೀಂ ದೀಂ ದಗದಿನದ आदित्यहृदयं पुण्यं सर्वशत्रुविनाशनं जयावहं जपे नित्यम् अक्षयं परमं शिवं सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्यं सर्वपापं प्रणाशनं चिन्ता शोक प्रशमनम् आयुर्वर्धनं भूतमं रश्मिमन्तं समुद्यन्तं देवा असुर नमस्कृतं भास्वन्तं भास्करं भुवनेश्वरं भास्करं भुवनेश्वरं भास्करं भुवनेश्वरं तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। जय पार्वती रमण जय पन्नकाभरण जय सुरनुत शरण जय दीन करुणा जय 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 पार्वती रमण जय पन्नकाभरण जय सुरनुत चरण जय दीन करुणा जय 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 रवि शशिनेत्र जय राजनेत्र जय मुनीकृत स्तोत्र जय कर्पूरगात्र जय 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 रवि शशिनेत्र